Reselling success with the KlickTree Marketing Kit. Let us do the hard work for you with a complete marketer's pack to boost your sales. Unlock your reselling potential. Get proven strategies, expert insights, and tailor-made materials to promote your KlickTree reselling business. Want to supercharge your reselling venture? The KlickTree Marketing Kit is here to provide you with a competitive edge. It's your all-in-one solution, packed with valuable resources to market your KlickTree reselling business effectively. Dear friend, if you want to buy this product, then visit the description link below or check out my bio. Unveiling the KlickTree Marketing Kit, your blueprint for reselling success. Lead generation website to send your prospects to and convert them into clients. A complete client presentation that will convert your prospects into monthly paying clients. Getting documents. Market to any niche. With chat prompts we use to build these sales pages and funnel. These chat prompts will write perfect bio descriptions that make people want to know you. Create your ideal client profile avatar in your chosen niche. Create your sub-headlines and titles. Improve your secrets, strategies. Teach chat about your products and product benefits. Help you use other people's frameworks to improve your sales copy. Using sales copy experts books like Russell Brunson's Expert Secrets, Dan Kennedy's Ultimate Sales Letter, or Building a Story Brand by Donald Miller, and much, much more. Dear friend, if you want to buy this product, then visit the description link below or check out my bio. Thank you.